Hello guys, did you hire an entire support team in order to resolve queries? Let me first show you what I will teach you to create in this video and what it will do. So right here, this is a WhatsApp AI bot that I have created. Now towards this bot, I am asking my first question as a customer, that is, do you have any loyalty program or gift cards? How can I use them? I've sent this question towards this AI bot. Now let's see what kind of reply I will receive. It says, yes, StyleHaven offers both loyalty program and gift cards. You can see I have received the reply according to the question that I have forwarded. Now I have a different type of question. I will ask that. My order hasn't arrived yet. How can I track it? And what if it's delayed? So now this is my next a very different type of question I'm asking towards this WhatsApp bot. Let's see what kind of reply I will receive for this query. The reply is you can track your order in either two ways. You can see I have received this detailed reply right here. Now I will ask one last, a very different kind of question towards this bot, that is, I need a women's outfit for a party under 4,000 rupees. Can you recommend products that will go well together? So this is my last recommended type of question I'm asking towards this bot. Let's see how this bot is going to analyze this query and reply according to it. I have asked three very different questions towards this bot. So now let's see what kind of an answer I will receive in this case as well. I have received the recommendation. Yes, here's women's outfit under 4,000 for StyleHaven, and I have received different options right here with total amounts and everything. So did you see? I've asked three very different kinds of questions towards this bot and I have received very nicely framed replies. No employee is hired in my company in order to resolve the queries. You can see the reply that I've received instantly is an automated reply from an AI assistant. No employee is typing in the answer on the keyboard and sending the answers. And these queries can be solved 24/7 without you hiring a support team. You might wonder how. So let's continue in this video. Until the end, you will learn how you can create this AI assistant for yourself in order to save up your time, money, and not to hire a large team. So without wasting any time, let's dive into this video. So to create this amazing AI assistant that I just showed you how it is going to work, I have used this amazing software in the name of Pabbly Chatflow, where without need of any coding and programming skills, you can easily create WhatsApp chatbots, AI assistant, or manage your WhatsApp conversations of your business super easily and efficiently 24/7. So I have started using Pabbly Chatflow for an year now, almost, or more than that. And now if you want to use this application in order to efficiently manage the WhatsApp inquiries coming from your customers 24/7, you should simply sign up for free from here if you're trying this application for the first time. You will receive 100 credits. Using the 100 credits, you can check out and test out the features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you're planning to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans with the help of which you can get more benefits of Pabbly Chatflow and easily and efficiently automate the business WhatsApp conversations, for that you can go to the pricing and I will prefer you to purchase our one-time plans. Why? Because you need to pay this price once and you will get this amazing software forever. Now these are the one-time plans that we provide to all of you. I will suggest you to buy our Ultimate Max lifetime plan. You have to just pay this price once and you will get 100,000 credits every single month. Using those credits, you can easily manage the WhatsApp conversations in your business. And to find out what benefits we provide, check out the benefits over here as well. Now you can see there is an existing discount going on our Pabbly Chatflow's pricing plans, one-time plans already. If you want an additional discount on top of the existing one, you can use the code on the left side of my screen and you can grab the offer right away. While checking out, use the code purchase our plans and automate your business WhatsApp conversations. This code is not just going to work on our one-time plans, you can also use it on our yearly plans as well. Okay, I have already purchased the plan of Pabbly Chatflow, logged into my account and created the AI assistant. It's a very easy process to create an AI assistant for your business that is going to automatically resolve the queries 24/7 in your business. I will just show you the brief of how you can create this AI assistant, and then you can start automating the WhatsApp conversations in your business as well. Now I have came to the Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard. If you want to learn how you can set up the entire Pabbly Chatflow account, what each and every feature is and how you can use them, check out all the video links in the description section. First go and create the setup, then come back to this video. Now after going to the assistant section, add the assistant, name the assistant, and then you will come to this window right here. I've completed all the steps. I'm just giving you the brief right now. Now over here, first we have to select the AI instructions. This is our first section in which select the instruction type according to you. Add in the instructions of the type according to you. Automatically an instruction base is going to appear in front of you. If you want to edit, eliminate, or add on any points over here, you can do that according to your requirement. After that is AI configuration, under which first is temperature, which is a range from 0 to 1, 0 being more focused replies from the assistant towards the customers or leads, 1 being creative replies. You can select the temperature according to your requirement. I have selected as 0.5. Next is AI to use, for which I am using OpenAI. Currently you have the option of OpenAI only, so select it. And next you have to select the AI model, for which I am using GPT 5.4. If you want, you can select other model according to your requirement. One very important note is that you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant, or else the replies won't be forwarded towards the assistant. Okay, next it is asking for the API key. To have the API key, you have to go directly towards this hyperlink. You will log into your OpenAI account, so I'm going to do that and show you the API key section of OpenAI account. And then what you can do is you have to generate the key, copy the key from the OpenAI keys page. You will directly land towards this page if you are already logged in. So you will come to this page, create the key from here, copy it from here, paste it on the field, and click on this connect button to connect your OpenAI account to Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, next it is asking for AI assistant. So over here, if you want header footer messages, top keywords to be added in the assistant, add in the details by toggling the button on. If you want the retry attempt, toggle this button as well. And last is fallback message. So let's suppose this API key or your OpenAI account has some issues and is not working correctly, then this message will be forwarded. If you want, you can edit this message as well. Okay, now the first section is very easy, it's completed. Now let's move on to our next section, which is very important, that is knowledge source. Now what is this knowledge source? AI doesn't know anything about my business, right? I have to train the AI for my business, that this is my business, these are the services or products I provide, these are the type of products that I provide, these are my policies, this is my support team details, this is my timing details. You can see everything. Now how can I tell this to my AI who is answering the queries? For that you need to create this amazing knowledge base. Now if you want to learn how you can create the best knowledge base for your business, check out the video in the description section below. I've added the video link right there. So I have created this knowledge base, uploaded it from this section. You have to upload it from this add file button. Select the knowledge base and it is going to appear just like this. You will see the vector ID. That means the knowledge base is uploaded successfully. Next is assistant interface. So now the best part about Pabbly Chatflow is that if you create this assistant for your WhatsApp number, you can add this assistant on your website as well. You can see mostly on the website you will see a support agent just like this. So you can add a support agent icon just like this on your website as well if you have your own business website. So assistant interface and styling is a section for that. If you want to add in a heading, name, if you want to add subheading, initial message, enable, disable this powered by Pabbly, active this hyperlink right here, add the link of your business. You can do all of that from this section of interface. Okay, last is users first message. So let's suppose no one is coming from this chart directly, they are coming to the phone number and writing their queries. So what is the usual first message that you will receive from the users, and you have to add it in that section. Last is styling. If you have your own business, you have your own colors and brands that talks about your business, right? So now what are those colors? If you want, you can change the colors, backgrounds, pictures, shape, anything according to your requirement from this styling section. I don't want that, so I'll skip the part. Toggle the button on and save the assistant from here, and AI assistant is going to be successfully created. This is how simple it is to create a support AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow without need of any technical coding and programming skills. To add it on your website, go to embedded, copy the script, paste it down on your website code, and the AI assistant will be added on your website as well. AI assistant is successfully created and it's activated. Now let me ask one last question towards this AI assistant on my WhatsApp as a customer. Let's see whether it gives me the replies or not, and if it does, that means this AI assistant is working. So my last question is, I want a formal shirt for office wear that is wrinkle resistant. Which colors, sizes are available and what's the price? So this is my last question I'm asking towards this WhatsApp bot. Let's see what kind of a reply I will receive and whether this assistant will help me for this query that I have or not. Okay, so let me see the reply that I will receive. I have received the reply. The former shirt will be great for the office wear choice, and this is the recommendation I've received from this AI assistant. So as this AI assistant is replying, this means I have successfully created this AI assistant. It's actively working on the chats and resolving queries for my business, and I don't have to hire an entire team. This assistant is doing the entire work for me. Now, if you want to activate this AI assistant automatically on all different chats of your customers or leads on WhatsApp, for that go to settings and inbox settings section. After coming to inbox settings, scroll down till the end and toggle the button on of this enable AI auto replies. Select the contact list to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to. Select the assistant from the drop down. This is the one that I've created, and save this rule from here to all the contacts. This AI assistant will be automatically enabled. With that, to a single chat you want to assign this AI assistant to, for that go to the inbox settings, select any of the chats to whom you want to assign this AI assistant to, toggle this button on, select the assistant from the drop down, and towards this chat this AI assistant is automatically going to be assigned. So this is how to a single contact also you can assign the AI assistant to. Okay, so now this is how you create AI assistant using Pabbly Chatflow super easily and efficiently without need of any technical coding and programming skills. If you have any questions or queries, comment down below. I will reply to all your queries as soon as possible. With that, if you want to purchase our yearly or lifetime plans to create such amazing AI assistant for your business very easily and get access to more features of Pabbly Chatflow, you can use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section to get additional discounts on your purchase. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.